The best way to hide your spackle touch-ups, I'm going to take and put some spackle on the hole right here, and instead of just skimming it like that, you're going to eliminate all the texture around it. What I do is I'll fill the hole and then I'll just wipe off my spackle off around that hole, so now I don't fill in the texture. So I just want the hole filled in. It's like this. Texture is not eliminated, the hole won't show up. So you got to get it on there a little bit better. Skim it. That's the way to hide something. If the hole is really big and really flat, I'm going to take some knockdown texture. Once that dries, I'll just spray some knockdown texture on it. Let the knockdown texture dry, I'll sand it, and the spot's gone. New construction, I'll put a wrap window, that's...
Or you want me to just put it in the bathroom?
Yeah, I guess there we go.
Here.
You ready? I'll go over it with a roller, and instead of having brush strokes this way, it stipples it so this will match the stippling on the wall, because the wall was rolled.